I'll pick up a couple of the numbers, Sonali, and you can get digging into it as well. So third quarter investment banking revenue, $1.54 billion. The estimate, $1.63 billion. Third quarter trading revenue, $6.2 billion. The estimate, $5.69 billion. If you break that down between equities and FIC, let's do equities first. Equity sales and trading revenue, $2.68 billion. The estimate, $2.65. Looking at FIC here, Sonali, sales and trading revenue, $3.53 billion. The estimate, $3.04.
So that strong beat, right? That's what I was talking about right there. And as they consolidate those trading and investment banking businesses, you have them coming in stronger than their rivals. And I think that's where the rubber hits the road for Goldman Sachs. Now, again, they are putting out all those details on what that new business looks like. I think this will take a while today for the market to absorb as David Solomon walks the market through those numbers. Because again, what does this mean for the future of Goldman Sachs? You are looking at revenue coming in above expectations. You're looking at ROE also coming in above expectations, really matching that of Morgan Stanley. They're more efficient than Morgan Stanley typically, but again, if they're making the same in terms of returns, what is the market going to prefer?
Very quickly here, we're going to come back after we digest these numbers as well. I look at the long-term track record across 4, 5, 6 managements. Big banks outperformed Goldman Sachs. Has Goldman Sachs been a decade or 2-decade underperformer?
I mean, you're looking at today, it trades at less than price to book. Wells Fargo is even more than that, Tom.
Wells Fargo trades at a higher book?
Yes. So
that's stunning.
Exactly. And Wells Fargo, with all the problems that it has and still has, you're still seeing them trade higher than Goldman Sachs that does not have half the regulatory overhang today than it did have 5 years ago even. So what is it that the market is not latching onto with Goldman Sachs? You are seeing the market now rewarding Goldman for those trading numbers, really, again, much stronger than all of its peers. So they're not showing just a strength in a tough market. They're showing market share gains.